Meaning of expired.
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 Expired. Expired means that something has reached the end of its validity period, and is no longer usable or active. This can apply to various things, such as food products, identification documents, contracts, subscriptions, and more. When something has expired, it can no longer perform its intended function, and may even become a liability or a danger. The consequences of using or relying on expired things can range from inconvenience and disappointment to legal penalties and health risks. Therefore, it is important to be aware of expiration dates and to replace or renew things in time.